Hello everyone, this is Sajjad. I welcome all of you to Trade with Asim and Sajjad channel. Today Mr. Asim is not around, so I'll be doing this weekly analysis alone. I'll be covering it from 12th of March to 16th of March 2018. So let's start our analysis with US dollar index, and we are on the daily chart, and dollar just tried and struggled the whole week. It's almost on the same level with it started. We were expecting some positive results from NFP, but couldn't, so the dollar just got rejected from this price, and right now it closed with the bearish doji candle. Technically speaking, right now I can expect a few red candles, and then if after touching 89.41, which is a very good support area for the dollar, it can try to go up again. But if it couldn't hold this, then it's heading to 88.59 in this week. So for this week my range is 88.59 to 91.21 or above. The reason is that if we can see the news calendar, next week we don't have very positive impact news for US dollar. Just a few news, and I don't think it can strengthen US dollar. So I'm more bearish on dollar index than bullish, but it's the market, anything can happen, so be ready for it. Let's move to EURUSD. And EURUSD just tried to go up the whole month. It tried to reach and break 1.2545 area, but every time it got rejected. It looked very weaker until Friday evening, but after NFP it bounced back, and right now it looks quite okay. And if the dollar just gets much weaker, then it's supposed to go up, and if this time it goes up, it's supposed to break this resistance area, which is 1.2547. so my target for this week can be 1.26 and above, and if dollar gets stronger, then we might see 1.203. in the long run. Definitely EURUSD is down, but for the next 1 week or 2 weeks it might just keep going up. Moving to GBPUSD. GBPUSD looks much better. I will say it looks much stronger than EURUSD. It did close with a very good positive blue candle, and I'm looking at the area around 1.410 this week, and I'm already in this trade, and I'm just hoping it goes all the way up, but just in case it comes down, then we can see 1.3594. The reason why I'm bullish on GBP is also because of the news calendar. If you can see, we have many news, and most of them look positive for GBP, so I'll be more bullish on GBP. So if you find any good entry level, I would advise it's a good chance to enter GBPUSD. I'll try to share with you hourly chart. I'm sorry for the slower internet. Here it is. Even right now it looks a good entry point for the buy. If you find the same level on Monday, then you can enter. Even if it opens with the gap, it's better to buy GBPUSD. So let's move to USDJPY. USDJPY on 4 hour looks quite good. It's been trying to go up for the last few days, although on Friday it was a bit weaker, but still the momentum is strong, so it can go up. If I can show you the daily chart, here it is. So it did close with a very strong bullish candle, and I'm looking at the target 107.79 and above. It will just try to go up. This resistance level is important. It might just break it and then come down again. but in case it starts going down from Monday, so we can again see the support area of 105.40. So it will be interesting to see USDJPY, but mostly it looks technically a bullish uptrend for me, and I will advise to enter at a reasonable price level. So let's move to USD Swiss franc. USD Swiss franc, despite US dollar's weakness, it looks much stronger than US dollar. Normally it moves along with US dollars, but it's just going very smoothly. And although I'm expecting a weaker US dollar, USDCHF pair might go up. This is just my personal feeling, and otherwise technically it's supposed to come down for a few days and then try to go up. But I'm looking at 0.9756 area. If I find this area, I'll be interested to sell it from here in the long-term trade. So if I can also show you the 4-hour chart, USDCHF, even on the 4-hour chart, you can see it looks quite good. So it's even here it's a good time to enter again and make some good profit. Moving to USD CAD, USD CAD is definitely weaker, and it did try to go up for a few days. Here you can see it was rejected continuously for the 3 days, and then it came down all the way, and even now it's so weak that for the next few days I am looking around area of 1.2669 and even lower. And from here I will be interested to buy, because this is a very good support area and we can get some good pips here. Even if it goes up from here, then it will be important to see again if it can reach here. If not, it can just make a bearish flag and then go much down. Even in the long term, it's supposed to come around 1.2274 area. So just write it down, note it somewhere. It's a very good trade. Actually, we are going through a very good trading sessions this month, and the previous month was also very good. So I hope all of us just get some good profits from the market. Moving to Australian dollar USD pair, and here it is. Australian USD closed with a bullish engulfing candle and a very strong indication for the uptrend. It will try to touch 0.789 area and then heading to 0.80 area. In the long term, Australian USD is a sell trade. I'll be interested to put a pending order here at 0.800. If you also remember the same, you can put this trade, very potential and profitable trade. And I hope we will share this in next week, that how it goes. New Zealand USD pair also almost same, moves same way like Australian dollar most of the time, not every time. And here also I'm looking at the uptrend. This area around 0.7300 is important, because it's just trying to break here, and if it breaks this resistance area, then it's heading to 0.7440, and from there I will try to short it and make use of this trade. It looks quite good, and I will advise you to just note it down. So moving to our last pair of the day, gold USD, and right now it looks quite good. If you remember, I did give buy signal in the group, and some of you took this trade. I'm still holding this trade. The entry was 13.16, and right now it's in profit, and it looks quite good. Might go sideways for the next few days, but I'm looking at the target 1350 and above. And just in case the dollar gets stronger, then we might see 1300 also, but I'm more bullish on gold rather than bearish. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I'm always ask you to please comment on our videos. We want to we want to improve, and let's hope to hear from you this time. Please share this video in your social groups. I wish you a very profitable week ahead. We'll see you tomorrow with the daily analysis. Until then, take care and bye.